This video will show you how to access the class website on WebAssign, how to get access to the class, and also how to navigate the e-textbook and see the instructional videos. So the first thing you want to do, after you've used your class key that I sent you to follow the link to WebAssign and be assigned to the class, you still have to register for the class or get online access. So the first thing I'm going to do is log in with the information that I have. Of course, yours will be different. Now my view will look different than yours because I'm an instructor, so I'm going to click over here on Open Student View. And the first thing it does is remind me that I have not purchased an access code yet. To be able to take this class, you have to have an access code. You do not have to buy a physical textbook, a hard copy, because if you purchase online access, which you have to do, you also get access to the e-textbook or the online textbook. So you'd have the option here to purchase an access online, which is what you should do. You can enter an access code if you happen to have bought a brand new textbook, a hard copy that came with an access code. You probably didn't do that and probably shouldn't do that. Or you can continue with the trial period, but after a certain number of days, of course, it expires. So I'm going to choose that right now because I don't have to purchase access as a mock student here. So I'm going to click Continue. You'll notice under Current Assignments, we have the Week 1 optional assignment. That's all that you can take right now on WebAssign. So you click on that and you would take the quiz. What I want to point out to you is up here where it says My eBooks. You're going to click on that tab. And there's our book right there, College Algebra. We're going to click on that. This will give you access to the textbook, and its layout is much like a hard copy of the physical textbook. So what you'll notice is, first of all, that on the left-hand side you have the various chapters, including prerequisites, which is what we cover in weeks 1 and 2. So for instance, you want to go over prerequisite section 1, so you click on real numbers, and there's your textbook. And you can just advance through there. At the bottom of the screen, you can go to the next page. If you're having trouble understanding anything, if the examples aren't good enough for you, this is where you really want to take note, because notice up here where it says Media, click on Media, and then you'll have access to the class videos. So for Chapter P, the first chapter, we can click on example videos for all the different kinds of problems we have. So for instance, to graph inequalities on a number line, I'm going to click on that, and it'll pull up the screen that will show a video. So now I'll click play.
In this segment, we'll be solving linear inequalities, and the solutions to linear inequalities are...
So you see how to do that. This will be important every week, so that if you're having trouble doing any of the problems that are assigned and the examples in the book aren't enough, you would consult these videos. But of course, if that's not enough, you definitely need to contact me. I am your instructor, and I'll be glad to provide my own personal examples. I often work out problems for students when they're having trouble, and put the video on YouTube so that other students can see, so that you won't be stuck. So please contact me if you have any questions.